మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సో నేను మీకు 10th క్లాస్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్ చాప్టర్లో నేను ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తున్నాను. సో ఒకసారి చూడండి. సో నా పేజ్ నెంబర్ 6 exercise 1.1. So third problem is there. Third problem is use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So we have to show that using by algorithm theorem, using the square of any positive integer in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So now I am taking third problem, page number 6, exercise 1.1. So third problem, let AB is any positive integer by using Euclid's algorithm A equal to BQ plus R. So A equal to BQ plus R. So here what is given by we have to show that 3p or 3p plus 1. So here the condition is given, what we have to show that 3p or 3p plus 1 we have to show that. So comparing to that one, this one A equal to BQ plus R by using algorithm theorem. So this is R equal to what is there, 3 here this is comparing to BQ plus R. So BQ plus R, here R equal to what will come, R equal to 0 1 2 will come. So when R equal to 0 1 2 come, in case number 1 R equal to 0, so A equal to BQ plus R. So A equal to BQ plus 0. So here B is what, 3p or 3p plus 1. So 3q plus R, 3q plus 0. So that is A equal to 3q. So now this is squaring on both sides. So what will come, A square equal to 3q whole square. Now this is A square and this is 3q square, means we can write what, we can write 9q square. So squaring on both sides, so I am getting A square equal to 3q square. A square equal to what, this is A square and 3q square means 9 square. But what we want, we have to show that in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1 we have to show that. So here A square is, I am writing A square as it is equal to this 9 we can write 3 into 3q square we can write. Now A square equal to 3 and 3q square. So now see here, it is in the form of A square of any positive integer. What we have to show that square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So this is square. So A square equal to what we got, 3. Here p is what, 3q square. Therefore p equal to 3q square. So this is what, A square equal to 3p. So A square equal to 3. This is what, p. So 3p. So first in the case number 1, R equal to 0. So here 3p is there or 3p plus 1 equal to 0 is there. So B is R value is what, less than 3. So less than 3 means R equal to 0 1 2 only. So in case number 1 0 I am taking, case number 1 0 I am taking, case number 1 I am taking, case number 2 I am taking 2. So if I am taking case number 1 R equal to 0, so we have to prove A square equal to 3p. So A square equal to 3p. So square of any positive integer in the form of 3p. So in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So A square equal to 3p. So this one. Now this is the first one. First case. Now I am taking second case. So now I'm taking case number 2. Case number 2. So now case number 2, r equal to how much? 1. So r equal to 1. So a equal to 3q plus 1. So here a equal to 3q plus 1. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on SOB. SOB means squaring on both sides. So a whole square equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. So a square. See here, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So it is in the a plus b whole square means what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is a square. So a plus b whole square. Instead of a equal to 3q is there. Instead of b equal to 1 is there. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, what we can write? A square means 3q square plus b square means 1 square plus 2ab. 2 into 3q into 1. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is 3q square means what? We can write 9q square. 9q square plus 1 plus this is 2 3 is 6. 6q. So here, see here, this 9q square is there, here plus 6q is there. Here we can take 3 common. Here also we can take 3 common. So if I am taking 3 common, or otherwise I will write like this. First confusion is there, 9q square plus 6q plus 1 is there. So here I am taking 3 common. If I am taking 3 common, 3q square plus here 3 common, 2q and plus 1. So see here, 3q square plus 2q, p equal to, therefore here p equal to 3q square plus 2q. I am taking this one is p. So now this is what p. So I am taking this is 3. So this is 3p plus 1. So this is what a square equal to, and a square equal to, and a square equal to. See here, square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So square case number 2 also, a square equal to 3p plus 1. So this part 3q square plus 2q, I am taking what? P. So this is total come p. So 3p plus 1. So this is case number 2 completed. Now case number 3. Case number 3, what is there? R equal to 2 is there. So if I am taking r equal to 2, case number 3. If I am taking case number 3. If I am taking case number 3, r equal to 2 I am taking. So if I am taking case number 3, r equal to 2, so a equal to 3q plus r. A equal to 3q plus r equal to what? 2. 2. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. A square equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. So this is also in the form of a plus b whole square. A square means what? A square equal to, this is 3q square plus b square, 2 square plus 2ab. 2 into 3q into 2. So this is a square equal to, this is 9q square plus 4 plus 2 3 is 6 is 12 q. Okay, see here, 9q square, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12 q. So now here I am taking a square equal to 9q square plus 12q plus this is 4 I am writing, 3 plus 1 I am writing. So this 4 I am writing, 3 plus 1 I am writing. Why I am writing 3 plus 1 means, see here, I want in the form of 3p plus 1. So in this part, so 3 we can take here 9. So here we can take 3 common. Here 12. Here also we can take 3 common. So we want 3p plus 1 form. So here this 4 is there. This 4 we can write 3 plus 1. If I am writing 3 plus 1, so 1 3 also we can take common. So that's why I am written 3 plus 1. So now this here I am taking 3 common. 3q square plus 4q plus 1 and plus 1. See here, 3 is the 9q square, 3 4 the 12q, and 3 1 the 3 plus 1. So this 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So I am taking p equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So this total part is p. So this is 3p plus 1. So we can write 3 p plus 1. So this is a square. So this is a square. So what we showed, when r equal to 0, we showed 3p. When a square equal to 3p, when r equal to 1, when a square equal to 3p plus 1. Now third one, r equal to 2, a square equal to what? 3p plus 1. So 3p plus 1. Square of any positive integer. So it is in the form of 3p plus 1. So therefore the square of any positive integer any positive integer in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1, hence proved. Okay. Good evening students. So నేను ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో వచ్చేసి మీకు థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం కంప్లీట్ అయింది. సో నా నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం పేజ్ నెంబర్ 6 ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1.1, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 6 ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1.1. సో పేజ్ నెంబర్ 6. So exercise 1.1, fourth question, use division algorithm to show that the cube of any positive integer is the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So here previously video we did square of any positive integer. So in this video, in this problem, the fourth problem is use division algorithm to show that cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So 9m plus 1 plus 9m plus 8. So cube root of so any positive integer we have to show that 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So now here first step is let a b is any positive integer by using Euclid's algorithm. Then a equal to bq plus r. Then using Euclid's algorithm, then a equal to bq plus r. So see, in a equal to bq plus r, by using algorithm theorem, the condition 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8, cube root of. So here, so comparing to that one, so b equal to what will come? B equal to 9 will come. So bq plus r. So we can take b equal to 9 we can take. So a equal to bq plus r. So b equal to 9 is there. So now I am taking a equal to bq plus r. Now substituting b value here, a equal to 9q plus r. A equal to 9q plus r. So now I am cubing on both sides. Why I am cubing on both sides means, in the first step, use division algorithm to show that cube of any positive integer. So cube of any positive integer is there. So now I am cubing on both sides. What will come? A whole to the power of cube equal to 9q plus r whole cube. See, cubing on both sides, so a to the power of whole cube equal to 9q plus r whole cube. So here this is in the form of a plus b whole cube formula. So a plus b whole cube formula is what? A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So this is the a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So here instead of a equal to what is there? 9q is there. Instead of b equal to what is there? R is there. So this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So expansion of this one like that, a plus b whole cube. So here left side a cube whole to the power of cube means a cube and equal to, this is what we can write, 9 cube whole cube a cube plus b cube r whole to the power of cube plus 3 a square. A square means what? 9 cube whole square square b means what? R plus 3 3a square b. Okay, so this is 3a square b plus 3a means what? 9 cube 3a b square means what? R square. See here, this is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So an expansion of this is a cube equal to, and this is 9 cube is there, so we can write what? We can write 9 cube and cube plus r cube plus, see here, this one we can write 3 into 9 square into q square into r plus, this is 3 dot 9 cube to r square we can write. So here and take here 9, here 3 is there, here is there, so I am taking, so here I am taking, now this is, so one more step is there, so here 9 is there, here also 9 is there, and here also 9 is there. So I will take, first of all I will take 9 common. So if I am taking 9 common, what will come? 9 square cube plus, here I am taking 9 common, 9 square plus cube plus, here I am taking 9 common, 3 1 9 go to outside, 3 9 q square 3 dot 9 dot q square into r, and here also plus 1 9 go to outside, what will come? 3 cube 1 9, this 9 go to outside, 3 cube r square. See here 9 is there, here 9 is there, here is 9 is there, so 1 9 taking outside common. So if I am taking one outside common, here 9 cube is there, so 9 cube 1 went outside, so 9 square as this is q cube, so this is q cube plus r. See, I will write one more step, I will write after this step. Now after this step, so this is a cube is a cube, and here 9 cube and plus 3 9 square q square into r plus 3.9 cube r square. So this is 9 cube here, and plus 3.9 q square this one, plus 3 q square this one, plus r cube is I am writing here. Okay, after this so after this what will come? Here a cube equal to, here 9 is there, here 9 is there, and here 9 is there, so I am taking 9 is taking outside common. So if I am taking 9 is taking outside common, so this is what will come? 9 square cube 9 square cube plus, this is 3.19 went outside, 3.39 q square into r plus 3, this when 9 went outside, so q r square plus r cube. See here, here little bit confusion is there. Here 9 cube is there, here 9 square is there, here 9 is there. So here 9 is there, here 9 is there, here 9 is there. One 9 I am taking outside here. So if I am taking outside 9 square q cube plus 3.9 square is there. So 9 into q square into r plus 3 1 9, this 9 went outside. So q r square plus r cube. So here this total part I am taking what? M equal to, let it be, I am taking this is 9 square q cube plus 3.9 q square plus 3q r square I am taking, let M. So this total part will become what? M. So this is, we can write a cube equal to 9m plus r cube we can write. So this total part is I am taking M. So 9m plus r cube. So a cube equal to 9m plus r cube. So here there are, when b equal to what is there? B equal to 9 is there. So b equal to 9 means, r what will come? R equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will come. So b equal to 9 is there. So b equal to 9. So r equal to what will come? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7, 8 will come. So here in the, I am taking the first step. So here if I am taking case number 1, if I am taking, if r equal to 0, if b equal to 9, so see here b equal to 9 is there. So it is the number r equal to, remainder less than 9 will come. If b equal to 10 is there, so less than 10 will come. So here b equal to 9 is there. So r equal to what will come? Less than 8 will come. So if I am taking first case number 1, if r equal to 0, substituting r value here. So this is a cube equal to what will come? 9m plus r cube. R cube means what? R value is 0. So 0 cube. So that will, what will come? A cube equal to 9m plus 0 cube means what? 0 only. So a cube equal to 9m. So cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So this is a cube equal to 9m. It is proved. So if case number 2, if I am taking, if r equal to 1, if I am taking, so this is what will come? A cube equal to 9m plus r cube. So a cube equal to 9m plus r means what? 1 cube. So 1 cube. So that what will come? 9m plus 1 cube means what? 1 only. So this one also, case number 2, if r equal to 1, I am taking a cube equal to 9m plus 1. So 1 is 9m we got. So cube of any positive integer is 9m and cube of any positive integer is 9m plus 1. If I am taking case number 3, 2 I am taking case number 3, if r equal to 2, if r equal to 2 I am taking, so that is what the a cube equal to 9m plus r cube. A cube equal to 9m plus r cube. So a cube equal to 9m plus r cube means what? 2 whole cube. So 2 whole cube means what? 8. So 9m plus 8. So cube of any positive integer, if I am taking r equal to a cube, if I am taking r equal to 0, so what will come? A cube equal to 9m. If I am taking r equal to 1, what will come? 9m plus 1 will come. So case number 3, if I am taking, if r equal to 2, a cube equal to what will come? 9m plus 8. So we got first one is a cube equal to 9m and next one is 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. So therefore cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Therefore hence proved, hence proved. ఓకే. సో నేను మీకు ఇవి మీకు 10th క్లాస్లో ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని నేను కంటిన్యూగా నేను చేసుకుంటూ వస్తున్నాను. సో ఇవన్నీ నేను మీకు ఏం చేస్తానంటే ప్లేలిస్ట్లో నేను మీకు సెట్ చేసి పెడతాను. అక్కడ మీరు ప్లేలిస్ట్లో వెళ్ళి కూడా మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. చూసుకుంటే మీకు ఆర్డర్లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని మీకు ఆర్డర్లో వస్తాయి. Good evening, students. So this is real numbers exercise 1.1, page number 6, fifth question, and previous third, fourth also completed. Exercise 1.1 all problems completed except this one. So now this problem I am going to do. So this is the question is what, show that one and only one out of n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is any positive integer. So let n is any positive integer, so let n is any positive integer by using Euclid's algorithm. By using Euclid's algorithm, so we can say n equal to bq plus r. So n equal to bq plus r. So here we can say b equal to is divisible by 3. So we can say b equal to 3. We can say if b is 3 is there, so r what will come? R equal to generally 0, 1, 2 will come. Okay. Here, so here this is equation number n equal to 1 bq plus r. This is equation number 1. So b equal to is divisible by 3. So we can say b equal to 3. When b equal to 3, r equal to 0, 1, 2 will come. So here in case number 1, if I am taking if r equal to 0, if case number 1 if I am taking r equal to 0, so n equal to what? Bq plus r. So n equal to b means what? 3q plus r. R means what? 0. So n equal to what? Finally 3q. So see here n equal to 3q is there. So this 3 is divisible by 3. So we can say therefore this is divisible by 3. So this is divisible by 3. So here adding 2 on both sides. Adding 2 on both sides. Why I am adding 2 on both sides means in the question n plus 2 is there. So that's why I am adding 2 on both sides. If your question 3 is there, so I am adding 3 on both sides. So the question 2 is there, so I am adding 2 on both sides. So if I am adding 2 on both sides, what will come here? N equal to n plus 2 equal to what will come? 3q plus 2. See here n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 2 is there. This 3 is divisible by 3, but this 2 is not divisible by 3. Therefore it is not divisible by, therefore it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. And next step, so n plus 2 completed. Now the question what is there? 4 is there. So adding 4 on both sides. If here 5 is there, adding 5 on both sides. So here 4 is there. So adding 4 on both sides. Adding 4 on both sides. So where adding? Here adding. N equal to 3q. N equal to 3q. Adding 4 on both sides. So here what will come? N plus 4 equal to 3q plus 4. So this 3 is divisible by 3, but this 4 is not divisible by 3. Therefore it is not divisible by it is not divisible by 3. See here, this here n equal to 3q, this is divisible by 3 only. And if I am adding n2 on both sides, n plus 2 is not divisible by 3. And n plus 4 also it is not divisible by 3, only divisible by 3 only. And next one, the first case number r equal to 0 is completed. The second is what? Case number 2, r equal to 1 I am taking. So r equal to 0 completed. So case number 2 if I am taking, if r equal to 1. So if r equal to what will come? N equal to bq plus r. N equal to b is what? 3q plus r is what? 1. See here, n equal to 3q plus r. So 3q plus 1. This 3 is divisible by 3. This 1 is not divisible by 3. Therefore it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. So here in this equation, adding 2 on both sides. Why adding 2 on both sides? Here n plus 2 is there. So adding 2 on both sides. So what will come here adding 2 on both sides? N plus 2 equal to 3q plus 1 plus 2. So we can say this is 3q plus 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. So n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 3. See here, this 3 is divisible by 3 and this 3 also is divisible by 3. So both are divisible by 3 only. So this is, we can say, therefore it is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. In the case number 2, r equal to 1, if I am taking r equal to 1, n equal to bq plus r, n equal to 3 plus 1, it is not divisible by 3. And it is adding 2 on n plus 2, if r equal to 1, n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 1 plus 2. So n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 3, it is divisible by 3. So and next one is what? N plus 4 is there. So in case number r equal to 1, n plus 4, same adding 4 on both sides. Adding on 4 on both sides. So what will come here? Adding 4 means here in this equation n equal to here only. So n equal to 3q plus 1. So adding 4 on both sides means what? N equal to 3q plus 1. So adding on 4 on both sides means what? N plus 4 equal to 3q plus 1 plus 4. N plus 4 equal to 3q plus 5. So this is 3 is divisible by 3. This 5 is not divisible by 3. Therefore it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. Okay. So case number r equal to 0 completed and r equal to 1 completed. So next one finally what? R equal to 2. R equal to 2. So case number 3, r equal to 2. So case number 3, r equal to 2. Case number 3, r equal to 2. So first equation is what? N equal to 3q plus r. So r equal to 2. So n equal to 3q plus r is what? 2. So here this 3 is divisible by 3. This 2 is not divisible by 3. So therefore it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. So here in this equation adding, next is what? 2 on both sides. BOS means both sides. So 2 on both sides. So what will come? N plus 2 equal to 3q plus 2. N equal to 3q plus 2 plus 2. So n plus 2 equal to what 3q plus 4. So this 3 is divisible by 3. This 4 is not divisible by 3. Therefore it is not divisible by 3. This one also not divisible by 3. So again what, n plus 4 is there. So n plus 4. So adding 4 on both sides, BOS, both sides. So adding 4 on both sides. See, so adding 4 on both sides means what? n plus 4 equal to 3q plus 2 plus 4. So n plus 4 equal to 3q. 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. This 3 is divisible by 3, and this is 6 also divisible by 3. 3 2 is 6. So therefore it is divisible by 3. See, in all cases, if we are taking r equal to 0, is divisible by 3 only. If I am taking r equal to 1, is divisible by 3 only. And if I am taking r equal to 2, is divisible by 3 only. So there finally we can say, therefore n into n plus 2 n plus 4 is divisible by 3, 1 and only 1 and 1 only. So therefore n into n plus 2 n plus 4 is divisible by 3, 1 and 1 only. So therefore hence proved. So after this video, so if any students, any comments is there, so anything is there, any doubts is there, so you just write in the comment box. Then next video I will tell you. If anyone any doubts also is there, just explain, and page number and chapter number any doubts is also is there, just you in the comment box you put it, I will explain. So in this video, so exercise 1.1 totally completed. Okay, next video we will start exercise 1.2. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ప్లస్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే, ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి లైక్ షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ చేయండి అమ్మా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.